Hey, I'm Iron Wolf Isaac, and today I'm going to be discussing an air conditioner that my family used to own. So this air conditioner is by Fetters, and it's a model A76Q08FZA. It's a window air conditioner. I'd say it was pretty powerful. Say out of the air conditioners we had, it was the most powerful. Say that it got us through some hot summers, as it got pretty hot where we were living. But some flaws with the air conditioner was that the vents were they broke off or something, so we had to tape cardboard to the sides, and the number for the speed was weird. It displayed a number, but it wasn't accurate to what it was blowing out, so we just had to deal with what speed it was at. But it's definitely a memorable air conditioner from my childhood. And say overall, it's, it's probably good when all the parts are working correctly. But for the model or unit we had, I'd say it was decent. It worked, but it had its issues. So that's a short little discussion about an air conditioner that we had, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, for this air conditioner, uh, it's decently made for being plastic, pretty much. But it once again had the issues for the unit we had, at least. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good day, and I hope you have a blessed day. Signing out.